Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana from the FX Traders. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It's been a while ever since we analyzed the market together, and I thought maybe today I would give you just Euro USD. So without wasting much time, let us now get into the intro.
Okay, bad guy, but I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did it.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and once again, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Without wasting much time, let us now look at Euro USD. On the screen I do have Euro USD opened, so I will just dive into it. For those who have been here for a very long time, you know very well that I start on a higher time frame and I scale down to a smaller time frame. So even on this one right here, we are still going to look from a daily time frame up until maybe an hour time frame. So here I have a daily time frame. So I will start by analyzing and looking at my trend. I really apologize for the background noise if you're hearing any background noise. Let us now continue. From here, I will start by identifying my trend, and this is just how I trade. So I had this before. You can see that the market is respecting all these trend lines that I am having right now. If I were to zoom out, you would understand that this was a point of a sensitivity, and also this was a point of a sensitivity where we see the market being failing to break this trend line for quite multiple time, and it failed again right here. So I would regard this as a first touch, and I would regard this as a second touch, and finally this would be the third touch right there, where most of the people know that on the third touch we are expecting our entries. Alright, but this has passed, and if we missed it, we missed it. There's nothing that we can do. So our aim right now is to look on the current price and to see exactly what we can expect this coming week. Continuing with my analysis, I will drag this to the most current price, and I would put my trend line just like this. I'll have something like this. Again, with this one right here, you can see that this area is being respected quite a multiple time. We can see that. Seems like the market is failing to break this trend line right there. So we will use that, and we are also going to have another one right here at the top, something like this. So currently, as I'm looking at the market, I can see that okay, we might have a breakout to the upside right now, because we are seeing that the market has given us first touch right here, second touch right here, a third touch again right here, which it was not powerful. We are seeing that the market is finally at this area where I would call it as the area of a sensitivity. So on a daily time frame, we can see that the market is giving us what we call a double bottom right there. So on a daily time frame, I'm confident enough to say this double bottom and double tops are most likely to be valid. As we can see here, we had one right here and it was valid. If you can see right here, we had this one right here, and you can see this was a valid double bottom. So I will switch to a 4-hour time frame so that we can identify our zones. Here I am on a 4-hour time frame, and again we need to identify our zones. So allow me to now start with this zone here. Remember, we are on a current price, so we don't have to go back to see exactly where those sensitive areas were. So we are here. We can see that the market has been bouncing at this area for quite multiple time, 1, 2, 3, and it failed again right here. So I will count this as the fourth one. So we are still aiming to go up. With this double bottom from a daily time frame, we are now having a different double bottom right here, which still confirms that we might go up from here. You can see that this is a new double bottom that is being formed right now. Now we have two confirmations that the structure is to the upside. Now let us look for more. As I zoom out, again the candlestick is playing a big role. So as I zoom out here, I can see that okay, we have a bullish engulfing candlestick right here, which can confirm our entry. So I would want to enter as the market opens. I would want to enter to go up. But here's one thing that you need to also look at, something that might happen also. You can see that we had this impulsive move to the downside, and we had this move to the upside, just a correction, and then continue with a move to the downside. So my anticipation again might be that since we have this one right here, the market might want to repeat whatever that has happened there by going up, getting to this point right here, and then finally go up. So we shouldn't just be stereotyped on a double bottom only, but also I'm seeing a possible reversal head and shoulder right there, which it might occur, and it will be a good confirmation now that we have two double bottom and also an inverse head and shoulder. That means that we are good to go to the upside right there. So that's one thing that might happen again. Either way, we are still looking for possibilities to the upside. So let us switch to a smaller time frame to see exactly where we can expect our entries. Here we are on a smaller time frame, and as I said again, we might want to expect something of a head and shoulder nature from this point right here to create there and come back right there and then continue going up. But another thing that you might want to know is that even on a smaller time frame, we are seeing a possible inverse head and shoulder right there. So we have multiple confirmations that this market might wanna shoot back up. So our entries now, since we said that we want to go in as soon as the market opens, because we have been presented with engulfing bullish candlestick. So I would do this. I would put this zone right here. Right, yeah, just like that. So right now we are stuck there. Once the market breaks here, we would want to go in and also wait for a confirmation, of course, or a retest. So it might come, market might want to go up, retest, and then continue with its movement to the upside. So our target at this point will be here. We are going to wait up until the market hit there, and from there we might want to wait to see if the market is coming back down right here to give us another shoulder right here before we continue going up. And if that is not going to happen, then we're going to continue with this move right here. We might want to come back to retest at this area right there and then continue going up, breaking out of this structure right here. So once we break out of this trend channel, then that's when we can confirm that we might want to swing this trade to the upside. So one might ask, okay, Ernest, where would be our stop loss and where would be our take profit? From here, your entry would be somewhere around these areas, and you will have to put your stop loss just below these candlesticks right there, maybe somewhere right around here, and then have this to this point right here. Once you hit that area right there, you wait to see if the market is reversing, and if it does reverse, we know that we can have another entry right there, either with a confirmation of a bearish engulfing candlestick or any other candlestick that confirms our sales. So we might want to go in at that area, we might want to go in somewhere around these areas only if the market is reversing. And obviously our target will be, our first target will be here, and the second target will be at this area, since we are expecting another shoulder to happen. That's all I had on EURUSD. Pretty simple, very easy. Remember to check the link in the description to get your free course, and also to join the Telegram group that I have. It's your boy Ernest Mampana, and I would see you on the next video.